Okay guys, let me show you the power test. This is gonna be repel test. I'm gonna do 100 gram, 1 lb and 1 kilogram. Let's do 100 gram first. Here I have my coil. I will set it up. We'll stay back. And count 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'd say probably 30 to 40 feet. Okay, the next one would be 1 lb. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. About 12, 13 feet. Okay guys, this is 1 kilogram. Let's do the test. I don't think it's gonna fly high, but 1, 2, 3. Yeah, probably like 2.5, 3 feet, about 3 feet. Yeah, testing this 1 kilogram most of the time results in stuff like that, or broken bricks. This time I set it in a post here so it didn't break, but this is the coil. I would like to show you guys the repel test with a quarter, but it's just so small you won't be able to see how it flies. It's about 12-15 feet flies up in the air if I do the quarter just itself.